In today's video, how to clear all previous activity on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap your profile picture icon at bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines menu at top right corner. Tap your activity. Clear search history. Scroll to bottom. Select recent searches. Tap clear all at the top right and confirm. Clear watch history. Back to your activity. Scroll to down and tap watch history. Tap select. Pick the videos you want to clear. And tap remove, then hit remove again to confirm. Clear likes. Back to your activity. Under interactions. Tap on likes. Choose the items you want to remove. And tap on like. Clear comments. Back to your activity. Tap on comments. Choose the items you want to remove. And tap delete to confirm. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.